Yan oh, tumigas na ice. Yeah.
Yan o. Oh.
Libre na tayo guys. Oh. I hope our friends in Ohio. Hello there. Good morning.
Ito.
Were you able to harvest a block of ice? I'm sure you were able to harvest a block of ice. Kasi malalaki. Oh.
Malalaki.
Tumigas siya.
Matigas o.
Oh. For sale guys. Lagay mo lang dyan sa baba. Sahin, namumula na ba yung aking mukha guys? Hindi pa naman no. I'm going inside soon, okay? Hindi tayo pwedeng mag-stay dito ng doon I really doubled up my outfit. Ayan dad, smile ka muna. Smile. Hello. Good morning everybody. So thank God we're okay here. Still ongoing. So ingat-ingat lang po tayo kung may fireplace kayo.
We're traveling Ohio. We'll back later.
Yeah. If you have a fireplace, mag-ano lang kayo ng firewood. But thankfully, yung ibang area wala silang ilaw guys. So, but it's still ongoing. So, we're praying hindi siya hindi maapektuhan yung ating kuryente. Yan. It's kind of windy also guys. You can see that. Pero at least hindi tubigas yung ating flag dad, no? The last time, tubigas yung aming flag, hindi siya makapag-sway ng ganyan. But at least this time is better. Oops! Okay, namumula na yung aking pisngi. My face is already red. Yan. I have to work tomorrow, so I'm just making sure our car is okay. Ay, yung ano na lang yan, Dad, no? Yung hangin niya?
May trabaho bukas.
Yeah, yung hangin. Yeah, I have work, so we have to work. Ayan. Okay guys, Dad, babay ka to eh.